Z650 from Kawasaki. It's the new and improved, revised, new edition. These guys are your parallel twin. They have fuel injection, electronic throttle bodies, or twin throttle bodies, sorry. And the real exciting part about this, zip right down over here, is a TFT dash.
It's a bit bright, it's hard to see.
That's right. Hear that? It's bright. Now you can change that. How do you change that? You got to change that on your phone, which my phone's videoing it. So I can't change it on video. So Bluetooth into your phone. Now we Bluetooth this one into my phone. Me with my future views didn't think that I'm going to need my phone to show you. So I'll show you how to do that later when I get the other camera ready. But it has your Bluetooth. It's got your gear selector there, all electronic dashboard, trip computers, total time. Whoop, there we go. 0 kilometres. Only got this in today, so battery, voltage on your battery. Now on your phone, you can get in there. You can have lean angles, all that sort of gear there as well. What else is new? New stuff.
Lots of new stuff.
So we got your LED headlights. It's still got bulb indicators. I thought they might have put there. Have a look at the tail light. You've got your Z style there. And your brake looks pretty trick. What's it sound like? Sounds like the old one's got your underslung exhaust. Also your banana style swinger. Oh, here we go. So you can set your red line too. This one's set at 4 grand. So when it gets to 4 grand, it changes so you know you've hit your rev limiter. So you can change that on your phone, and you can change it to 8, 10, 7, wherever you want it. So you get that flashing that you see there, you'll get that when it gets to that certain point on there. So comes standard with your slipper clutch. Your parallel twin, fuel injection, dual throttle bodies. So this thing is tuned to perfection straight out of the box. Really nice bike. It's got your trellis frame. See there, she's all revised trellis frame, extra rigidity. Other than that, mate, it's a pretty good ride. It's a good rocket, handles well. The 2 colours available in Australia. The land down under, we got your black and your white. Reminds me of Michael Jackson song. It's black. Anyway, that's enough out of there. So yeah, we'll go for a ride on it soon. I just want to show you all that they are all in town. We've got them in stock. We're starting to sell them, so come up and have a look, have a test ride. That one's the demo. It's been out a few times already. No, it hasn't. The Z9 went out a couple of times, so I'll have a ride on them and show you what they're like. They're awesome. They're really good. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Little button down here, and enjoy. Let's go for a ride.